We're remodeling this older condo, and in the kitchen, the 3 outlets don't have GFCI protection. So to protect all of the outlets with one GFCI, we need to find the first outlet in this circuit, and then we'll put our GFCI there, and it will protect all the other outlets past it. Turn off the power to any circuit you're working on. A shock under certain conditions can be deadly, and always double check your tester that it's working before you use it. It always pays to double check with an electrical tester. When I turned off the breaker that was marked kitchen, all the kitchen lights went off, but it didn't affect the outlets. So there's another breaker that works the outlets. So I found the correct breaker for these 2 outlets, and I assumed that all the outlets in this kitchen over the countertop would be on the same circuit breaker, but you can see the outlet on this side is going to another breaker. So for this kitchen, we're going to need 2 GFCIs. One GFCI will protect the 2 outlets on the other side of the kitchen, and then we're going to need a GFCI specifically for this outlet. To figure out which outlet is the first in this circuit, I'm going to pick one and remove it, and then we're going to turn the power back on and test. Once you've removed the outlet, separate all the wires before you turn the power back on. I turn the breaker back on, and now we have a live wire in this box, and there's no power on this second outlet. So this is the first outlet that has power in this circuit. We're going to put our GFCI in this electrical box, and then it will protect the second outlet. The GFCI is going to have a line side and a load side. The hot wire that's live, along with the corresponding neutral wire, is going to be connected to the line side. The hot wire that doesn't have power and the corresponding neutral will be connected to the load side, and that load side will protect the outlet past the GFCI. Turn off the power to the circuit before you install your GFCI and double check it with a tester, and I'll put a link to a video showing how to install a GFCI.